Hello all. In this video we are going to see about the revised syllabus for the year 2021-2022 from CBSE class 11. I am going to compare 2019-20 syllabus with 2021 and 2022. By the way, if you are a viewer considering this 11th CBSE is of no importance to you, naturally you can close this video. Definitely do remember, we have various videos coming up in LearnMax. Continuing to the video, in the year 2019-20, before pandemic, we had a syllabus, but that syllabus got changed and reduced in the year 2020-2021. Later, the exams were also cancelled and all were considered promoted. So it was not possible for children to ask the seniors about the question paper or the model or the syllabus. So what we thought is of posting the video comparing with 2019-20, which will be the textbook in most of the children's hand. So you can compare with the textbook and then you can look at the deleted portions, whatever is there. So let us jump on to the video. Here in the screen, you can see I have left hand side and the right hand side. Left hand side is the year 2019-20 and the right hand side you have 21-22 for class 11 term 1. You know the maximum mark was 80 earlier and now the maximum mark is 40. The duration is made into half. 3-hour paper has come down to 90 minutes paper because it is term 1. Earlier you had 6 units in the year, but here you have only 5 units in term 1 in present a year. Let us jump into the details. Sets and functions. You can see sets and functions. The topic, sets and representation, empty set, finite set, equal set, subset. I'm just comparing with both the years. This is the old one and this is the present one. Intersection of two sets. Okay, here. From here on, you can see the difference and complement of a set. The difference and complement of a set property. So this isn't there in the present year. Present year, you can see this isn't there. That's not there. So which means we know the complement of a set, properties of the complement is deleted. It's not there. You can see clearly this is the 21-22. Next, relations and functions, ordered pair, etc, etc, etc. The functions stepped out. Let me see. Yeah, you can see this one's functions are like a sum, difference and products. Okay, the sum, difference and products and quotients of the function, which is deleted. It was earlier. Okay, this topic from your textbook, you can see, and here it is deleted. It's not there. So that is it. Unit 1 over. Don't worry about trigonometric function. Trigonometric function is not there in term 1. It is only in term 2. We will post a special video about the term 2. You can subscribe this channel and get alerted once it is posted. Maybe in a couple of days or hours we'll do it. Next we'll go on to unit 2 algebra for term 1, complex numbers and quadratic equation. Let me compare with the old one. So this chapter, principle of mathematical induction, this chapter is completely omitted. It's not there. You can see it is removed. Let me quickly see if it is there in term 2. Let me quickly see in term 2. Term 2 algebra. No. Which means this chapter is completely removed. Mathematical induction is completely removed. Okay, going back to term 1, you have complex numbers and quadratic equation, complex numbers and quadratic equation with real coefficients. You have square root of a complex number, real coefficients, the complex numbers. Square root of a complex number, this portion is not found here. Thumbs up, means it is deleted. You can see it is not there in the syllabus. Portion is deleted, you can note down. Next, linear inequalities is not there. Maybe linear inequalities permutation combination appears in term 2. Yeah, it appears. You can see linear inequalities. Okay, need not worry about it now. Going back to term 1, you have sequence and series. Sequence and series. A sequence and series, same thing. Formula for the following special sums. So that is missed out here. So this portion is deleted. Thumbs up. sequences series portion is reduced comparing with the textbook that you have in your hand possibly. Next, coordinate geometry, straight lines. You have straight lines. Straight lines, I personally verified with the book everywhere. I just verified, and the entire book is available. The entire book is there. There's nothing deleted. Straight lines, everything is included. Then conic sections, maybe it is in term 2. Okay. So straight lines only there. And then you need 4 calculus. You have limits. Go here to the old one. This is old one. Old one, limits and derivatives. Up to logarithmic functions only. You can say up to this portion only. Up to this portion. So this is for term 1. From this portion, we will have it in term 2. So let me check it out in the textbook, whatever we have. And let me check it out. And in the textbook, it is page number 303 in my textbook edition. You can always find the textbook edition. This is 2019. This is 2019 edition I have. In this, before derivatives, before derivatives, this portion is there, while that for term 2, before that you have for term 1. Next, you have statistics and probability. In statistics, you have complete statistics alone, measures of dispersion, range, mean, intermediate, ungrouped data. Then analysis of frequency distributions. This is deleted. Okay, this portion is deleted. The analysis of frequency distribution with equal means but different variances is deleted. Rest is all there. That is it. And in the internal assessment, as we said earlier, you have periodic test. 1 periodic test may be conducted, or maybe the teachers depends on the school, they will conduct 3 periodic tests and best of 1 will be taken. Depends on school to school and a teacher. So it's 5 mark. And then mathematical activities, of which 1 activity file record must be maintained. Term and assessment must be made with 1 activity, and Viva must be asked. Viva is nothing but the teachers will ask question and how will you have answered it back, how will you have understood by discussion. So it's 1-to-1, but a 5 mark question is given for that. So internal, it is 10 mark. Put together, you have in term 1, 11th standard children, you have totally 5 chapters, set and functions 11 mark, algebra 13, coordinate geometry 6, calculus 4, statistics and probability 6, total 40, and internal assessment you have 10, which is accounting to total 50 marks. I hope this session was useful for you, and you may also consider subscribing the channel if you need so, because term 2 coming up and other fun way of learnings are also coming up, whether it is physics, chemistry, or general bites about technology. We are going to do that also. Please share to your friends and neighbors, and this particular video you may share to your teachers as well. If in case you are a teacher watching it, you can share it among your colleagues. Thank you.